As a part of our brand research, brand sensitized team met the leaders from CoreOver, Yota, and Bharat GPT. AI will have vast impact on the world, and India is competitively strong and poised to lead the transformation. Please hear out the views of leaders on the India-led stories.
Hi, I'm Mitali Narula. I'm Head of Business Expansion at CoreOver. I essentially look after the business expansion here. When I talk about CoreOver, we are a conversational agentic AI platform, and we essentially support text, voice and video agents. We also create video avatars. We can probably create anybody's video avatar, yours, mine, anybody, and we can clone the voice, the natural voice as well. Right? We support 14 plus Indian languages and 120 plus foreign languages, and we essentially are multimodal, multi-channel, and essentially, what we do is we help humankind to, essentially build all the chatbots, chat agents in a conversational way, right? We also have a sovereign LLM. It's called as Bharat GPT, right? It's a foundational model which we have created from scratch. Yeah. So the way how we are essentially helping humankind, we are essentially working with brands like IRCTC, NPCI, SEBI, and multiple other government and non-government entities.
BharatGen is India's sovereign AI initiative, initially funded by Department of Science and Technology, followed by second round of funding from MIT. As a part of our efforts and the funding resources that have been provided, we have actually come up with a series of models. The day before, we launched Param 2, 17 billion parameter mixture of expert model, which can support 22 Indian languages in the hands of PM. We also have Suktam and Shrutam, our ASR and TTS models, and Patram, which is a document understanding model. All these models have been made available to public so that we can enable the ecosystem and have more research and development in the field of AI. We are also now focusing on the deployment phase where these models will be put to use, and some of the use cases can be seen at our booth as well as on our website. So I think we are getting into a phase where deployments are going to be the key to see the models in action. We want to plow that feedback into the model making so that we are able to solve for Indic nuances and get to a state where India is really driving AI revolution in a sovereign way.
So if you look at the AI development globally, China and US are leading, but India is not very far behind. With the development of our own sovereign large language models by companies like Sarvam and BharatGen, we are really taking the lead. And India is already one of the largest consumers of AI, with companies like OpenAI and Gemini having the largest customer base here. So, and AI's promulgation needs a lot of human in the loop, which is what India provides heavily. So India will become sort of the AI services capital by providing the large language models. And Yota's role in all this is the digital public infrastructure, where we are providing all the GPUs for all the model builders and the solution builders to build the solution. So as a country, we are going very fast on this.